DR Congo accuses Rwanda of airport drone attack in Restive East. Fighting has flared in recent days between M23 rebels and Congolese government forces near strategic city of Goma. The Democratic Republic of Congo has accused Rwanda of carrying out a drone attack that damaged a civilian aircraft at the airport in the strategic eastern city of Goma, the capital of North Kivu province. Fighting has flared in recent days around the town of Sek, 20 kilometers or 12 miles from Goma, between M23 rebels, which Kinshasa says are backed by Kigali and Congolese government forces. On the night of Friday to Saturday at 2 o'clock in the morning local time, there was a drone attack by the Rwandan army, said Lieutenant Colonel Gulamu Njike Kaito, army spokesperson for North Kivu province. The drones targeted aircraft of DRC armed forces. However, army aircraft were not hit, he said, but a civilian aircraft was hit and damaged. Catherine Nasozi reporting for Emirates.